Hey, it's John-Marc, and I am excited once again to share with you some creative ideas on how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. As you can see, this is going to be a very simple monster, little silly monster. What you can really do from all these little simple ones is come up with your own little style or technique or adding things onto the little monster. Now just imagine what colors that this would be. Would this be blue, yellow, purple polka dots on him or whatever? Be very creative, I know. So when you're doing these simple ones, it's a challenge to actually try to step it up and be creative. And especially, I would love to see some of these colored and emailed over to me, and I would gladly put them up on our website as one of the showcase artists there. So if you are ready and you got a pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.